Hello friends, this is Jayant Ronkar working as a System Professor, Department of Information Technology, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Friends, today we are going to learn about Berkeley algorithm for clock synchronization, and this is basically the topic of subject distributed system. So we will see the Berkeley algorithm with the introduction part. In many algorithms such as NTP, the time server is passive. Other machines periodically ask it for the time. All it does is respond to their queries. In Berkeley Unix, exactly the opposite approach is taken. It is suggested by Gosila and Zitti in 1989. Here, the time server, actually the time daemon, is active, polling every machine from time to time to ask what it is there. Based on answer, it computes an average time and tell all other machines to advance their clock to the new time or show their clocks down until some specified reduction has been achieved. This method is suitable for system in which no machine has a WWV receiver. The time demands time must be set manually by operator periodically. The method is given in diagram, which is given here. In this diagram, the time daemon tells the other machine its time and asks for theirs time. In figure B, they respond with how far ahead or behind the time daemon they are. Armed with this number, the time daemon computes the average and tell each machine how to adjust its clock. It is given in figure C. Now, that for many purposes it is sufficient that all machines agree on the same time. It is not essential that this time will agree with real time as announced on radio every hour. If in our example given in these diagrams, time daemon clock would be never manually calibrated, no harm is done provided by none of the other mode communication and other nodes which are available in the network with external computers. Everyone will adjust, just happily agree on the current time without that value having any relation with reality. So in this Berkeley algorithm, the time daemon will be adjusted according to the time daemon according to the server machine, means that is called a time daemon. In that, all the machines which are connected in the network are connected with the time daemon must have to adjust their clock as according to the time daemon, and all other machines which are connected with the time daemon through the network have to adjust their clock, have to adjust their time as according to time daemon. Means all the machines which are connected with the time daemon, they have to work on the same time. Accordingly, they will adjust their time. They will reduce or they will increase their time or clock according to the time daemon. Here in this diagram, A time daemon is having the time 3 and other machines are having, other nodes are having, that is one node is having 250 and another node is having 325. So they must have to adjust as according to the time daemon. Time daemon will passes its time to the machines which are connected in the network, and accordingly that machines will adjust their time. Now here in this figure B, it is shows that according to time daemon, machine which is having 250 time, that will adjust and minus its time as according to time daemon by 10, and in machine which is having the 325 time will adjust its clock as according to time daemon, that is plus 25 will be added in the time in that machine clock. and accordingly time daemon itself will adjust, having no adjustment, because it is providing time, it is suggesting time to other machines. So Berkeley algorithm suggests that all other machines which are connected with the time daemon have to adjust their time accordingly, and all machines will adjust their clock according to time daemon. So this C diagram of figure number C suggested that the time daemon tells everyone how to adjust their clock. So accordingly time daemon will give the common time to all the machines with itself also, and accordingly all machines, all the nodes will adjust their time as according to the time daemon will ask them to adjust their clock. So this is all about the Berkeley algorithm for the clock synchronization. So this is very important in the aspects of the distributed system. So thank you very much.